Okay. So good morning, everyone. So today, so as of now, two projects seen. One is matching line drum, and one is allocation journal, all that. So before go ahead, like no other formulas, we learn the wild cards characters. Okay. So wild cards very important for the using the other formulas. Okay. So we have the three wild cards. So one is a question mark, another is a star or a asterisk, another other one is tilde. We call tilde. Okay. So wild cards will be used only we have the partial information for the using formulas. When you use the partial information, but we need to get the details of that, the word or the letters, maybe number of characters or whatever. When the character based, not element or word based, character based. We need to get give the information to formula. We need to use this all the two wild characters is a question mark and a asterisk. This I'll talk about later tilde. So this will understand first. Okay. So partial information means suppose I had a word misspell word. Okay. Commonly misspelling word. We need to read to the read in the formula. We need to use through wild cards. That's the main intention. Okay. So many like situations you can use. So especially these are the formulas we need to use. Okay, these are the formulas like usually we get partial word after like or the word in the in the subject or whatever thing, right? So suppose one like three, four words are there. One need to recognize only one word. Okay. So group of words in the cell content, after which only one word need to recognize, or the word is there, but spelling mistake, commonly spelling mistake. Okay. So what are the correct spelling after the misspelled word in place of wild characters will be to use and recognize that. Okay. So these are the uh, areas we need to use wild cards. So we need to understand the example. So we can see the examples, we can understand better. Okay. So question mark one for the characters. One question mark, one character. Which character? Any character. Okay. Suppose you'll see what are the what is the word I can say? Suppose C is like this. See, both are C, but I wanted C is okay. E and E changes. Okay, in the word E or A, people can use A in the end or E or A in the end. But first two characters correct. But however, whatever the word that whether see or saw, anything can be okay. Means C is correct word in place of A and E, so we can put question mark. This is how it is. Means both are readable. This is what single character is misplacing. Okay, so incorrect the same. Wherever you feel the incorrect word to give the formula, in place of that you cannot predict spelling E or A. People can type anything in manner. Okay, so in place of that you put question mark. But I have C, yes, E is correct, but last character is anything, because people write E or A or something else. Okay, so that can anything can be readable. Okay, in this situation we need to use question mark. Suppose two characters are spelling mistake, so two question mark, three question mark, like this. Okay, example. So my name is like this. Okay, Anandaya. Okay, then like this. Okay, so sorry. Example. So, okay, so my name can be like written as YVA or IAH, but my name is correct here. They till here correct. Anybody can write the same way, but other two, three characters always wrong. People do spelling mistake in this. So in this case, I am doing here three question mark because three characters incorrect. That's the reason I am using three question mark. So when you use the formula A N D up to here, everyone use the same name, same spelling, but last three letters not correct. People they go spelling all miss wrong spellings always. So wherever you see the change, spelling mistake, put question mark. That's all. Any characters it take. Not only the end, any between also, where you feel the but spelling words should be same. Means number of characters should same. Wherever the incorrect spelling you feel that's not correct, then we'll place question mark. So formula can read that word correctly. That is the purpose of question mark. Any questions?
Anand, one thing like the first example you show, no, like that actually is a different meaning. So if I'm getting the characters,
So
the
no.
second example is correct. So the name is one name, so maybe like incorrectly spelled, right?
Yeah,
With the formula, it will give all of these things.
yeah.
The first example, okay, if it is a different words like meaning itself, then how it will work.
No. This we are using the formula, but not part of the meanings. Okay. So what I'm saying, only spelling, so that I gave an example. Okay. So don't see the meaning of this. Okay. So formula will not go with the meaning. Okay, with the spelling. Okay. So whatever the word. So I need to example like you say, forget the meaning. Suppose this example take. So three letters different people different way that we are using, right? So wherever you see the spelling mistake, misspelling, so in that place you need to put question mark. See, forget the meaning here, but see, for example, for me, to give the information to the formula, C, SE, SE, both are correct. So in that case, this is the word I need to give the information through formula. But the spelling is different here. Okay. But either C or C, both should be taken for the consideration. In that case, what are the characters that I am using wrong spelling, in that place you can give the question mark. That's all. So Excel can read, then both are correct. Okay, don't worry about the meaning. I'm not meaning the base. I want I want to check this. Make similar in this. Okay, like this. So the common is misspelling word can you do any word? Same word with put in the example. Say suppose we wake. Okay, be wake. Example. Okay, these are two names. Okay, so same name. Few people say Vivek. Few people say Vivek. Example, right? So person is same person, but few will write V, few will write B. Okay, so how can you? We need to give the information to the formula. How we can give this? So commonly mistakes I have seen here. First character. Okay. So what I can do here? Question mark. We. Uh, okay. Then again question mark. I V K. So now this seems like the we be changing always. People get confused. So that's the reason. In place of question mark which is correct question mark. So put a question mark. So formula for the formula both are same. That's the meaning. Forget this meaning. Okay. Forget this one. Okay. Meaning are different. Okay. So the word how we expect and how we see in the list. So based on that, to make uniform to give the formula, we need give like this. Example C, I like say Kanta, Vivek, Danny, Mamata, Rohani, like this. Okay. So again I can paste here. Okay. This are the daily attendance take. In a month, how many people attended a thing? Okay. So this count Vivek both are same. But sometimes I write like a Vivek or Vivek whatever. Now I need to see the count, right? Count of Kanta, count of Danny, all that in the list. But these are two names are there, but I need to consider only one name, which means what? So the spelling mistake is like the first character. So first character we need to question mark and go at the formula like this. Okay, we'll say the example when you get the formula. But first you need to understand concept. So question mark is the wheel is the question mark where you are wherever you can incorporate any character, not specific. Specific readable instead of specific readable character, you can say there's a character. Then we need to use question mark. Clear this? Any
Yes, sir.
questions? Okay. So very important. Wherever you have the a character readable for the formula, but not specific character, any character that can consider, then we can use question mark. In the first character, anywhere, wherever the place, that place only you need to use question mark. Okay. Now, so asterisk or in the star, whatever you call this this is number of characters. This is a one character, one question mark, one single character. So multiple characters. Multiple any text, multiple number of characters. The spelling. So multiple characters, multiple number of characters. What does this mean? So suppose when I use the star, okay. I'll use big star. So when the star used, that is before left side of the star, right side of the star, any characters they can take, any number of characters that can take, okay, any character. So for that you need to use star. So how can you use that? Means suppose I need to use suppose pack my box with 5,000 objects. This is my favorite sentence. Okay. So pack my box pack my box with the 5 dozen luck objects. Okay. Now, so here I need to get a sentence related to wherever pack the word which can pick up, or further enter sentence will get confused later with that. Support pack, paper. Ink, computer, laptop, desk, like this. So many words are there. Okay. Now, what I want here, okay. So I want, so first letter start with pack. So P. Okay. So what I need to do here, put star, sorry, P and star. Star. That means what? First letter I need to, whatever specific letter I use. Star means any character say there. Number of characters, multiple characters, no limit. First, for question mark only single character, star multiple characters. But before first left side is, I know when you put character, that must be there. So in place of star, any character can be. That means this is called begin with. So begin with P. See, this also readable. So this is also part of this. This is also part of this. That's all. So here P means start before whatever the character. That word should have the specific character. Remain in the place of star any number of characters. Now the same thing I can put P, okay, and then put star, then end with. No, sorry. So why this is star, P. Okay, end with the character. This is called end with any character, any word, any character, whatever. Not only word character in the word also. Okay. Suppose a sentence is there. So pack means pack. That word should be the first. Rest any number of characters. So like this. Okay. So begin with end with. Suppose. Uh, Suppose in this case. So I middle. Okay. So anything that can be middle, that can be pick. So here, so in the characters, the left side and right side both are stars there. That means what? And P between in the P, left side in any characters can be right side any characters, but P should be there in the middle. That type of things should become. So this is we for this. Suppose for this R, right? So any word or sentence end with R. So suppose here this is P, okay? So this is like again. Suppose when in case of here, what we need to do here. Suppose here when you put here P will end with P. So lot of this can be picked. Okay, it's like that. So this, because of this, any specific word or a specific begin with end with type like type of things, we can use star. Through star we can create the look up word for the calculations or search or anything. We can use this kind of placing the question mark on the star. Example, I gave you here, see. So a single character spelling. Wherever the spelling mistake, possible mistakes in this place, we can give question mark. One question mark, one character is specified. Two question marks, two characters. Three question marks, three characters. Okay. So this is now. Now, so I'll come this. So here for any characters, suppose say star and sun. This is what? So end with sun. So the PK, sum is PK, starts with PK, right? So it is like this. So normally with this we do come across when you use the formulas, especially these formulas use, you cannot expect always correct place the words, right? So we need to use this type of characters. I'll give the example. So other things I'll come back. So let me start an example. Suppose here Excel session. So example is say, okay. So okay. Suppose we have like this. Now I need to count. So Excel how many times rating in this? Normally we don't have normally like no Excel, VB, all that like count, but I want the count of Excel, how many terms have there. So suppose like left always like to take left side of Excel and extract and count will do that. But without anything, I want to go extract the count, right? So where are the count? So suppose I want count begin with Excel. Count begin with Excel. So count only begin with Excel. Now how many are there? 2 are there. But straight away we cannot do this. But I need to identify with begin with Excel. Begin with Excel, how can you do it? So here Excel word compulsory, then star. That means anything after that. That is the thing. Okay. Now see begin with what we will do here. Count if. Now we do right, but here this is the range. But criteria what you can do here. Okay. So either like start it like this. Many ways you can write like this. Okay. So write like this. See to begin with Excel. See here 2 there. So how did you get this? See star and Excel. This is a vendetta. I'm sorry. So this begin with. So what I need to do here? This is a end with actually. So this Excel word, then star. Question mark put. So on the terminals close, we can read again. Okay. So see right click. Okay. Excel.
Excel should be in double quotes.
Yeah. Here, suppose one more I can put here. This also. Okay. Excel and like Excel again. No. Why this is Excel EXCL begin with Excel. Oh, what is the formula? Excel 1, no 2 only. Sorry, I thought like suppose here I will put Excel again. So my count will be 3. So begin with Excel. So begin with Excel. See situations like now. How many times are the Excel repeated in the in the column? But Excel alone will not be there. That I connect to that a lot of other words are there. Okay. Now suppose if we see in the example this thing. Suppose here here like we need to count second. How many times are there second here? We don't know, right? Instead of second, we need to have the class also. So second, how many times the second is there? Second is there in the beginning with, right? So what we need to do here? So count if. Okay. So range is this. Now I need to direct select direct can select this, and we start in can incorporate like this. That means what? This word beginning and after like whatever can be. Okay. So for the count, so count is say 11. Okay. Now suppose begin with say first. Okay. See here, 3 firsts are there in this. When you see here, so I'll filter and show here. So how many firsts are begin with? See here, 3 here. Okay. So through formula we can get this. Normally what we do, suppose if we don't use the wild cards, what we'll do here, first left like first what you need to extract. Okay, like this we can see this -1. See here. Then we'll do the filter here. Or filter or like this is the 11. See here. So suppose like now 3. This is what we need to do. Suppose if you use a wild card, we don't need to this use of this helper column, right? So within this only we can do the count, right? Easy, right? So this is how we can use the wild card for the beginning word or ending word, in between the word or anything. Suppose like so customer is there. Customer name can be anything. Suppose we have the description. Okay, so automatically we can use this through wildcard, whatever the word or character based or anything. So through using the wildcards, we can get the result. Okay. So this is like how we can use star for the beginning or the end or middle or anything. Suppose example. So suppose I can see here the word I am expecting what the word here some middle I can take. So offices are there only one corporate office. Okay, suppose example consumer office. Okay, home office. Okay, home office and corporate office like that. Okay, so we can see here. I'll change. See here. Corporate home office, and for corporate also I can put office there. Okay, example. Office corporate example. See here. So home here we can see here office is the end on the beginning both, right? End also office is done. Beginning of also I can see office, but I want count of offices. The word contains office. So what I can do here? Suppose count of office. So the fewer beginning, fewer end. Instead of like beginning and two formulas, one formula become using contains. So like this. So this office, then again this, like this. So for formula will build like this. Example, say count if. So where is that? Which column? Which column? Yeah, this one. Okay.
M.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So column one. Lakanta. Okay, okay, okay. जानेगिಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು. Okay, okay, okay. Lakanta. Hello. Hello. Pancha.
Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now see. Now criteria. What you need to do here. United code star united code. Okay. Unsigned. I need to add this. Then again unsigned. So united code. Yeah, like this. Okay. So this is in between. Word anywhere the office I can get here. So here count 60. Now see here. Go to this thing. So go to office, home office, office. Both put together 16. Right. So this is the middle. So this is how we can get. Okay. So this is the way we need to use the wildcard. So for especially stars. Okay. Beginning with star, end the star. It is so in between like this. Okay. In between contains. Where end or between or middle.